In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a Notion database into a gallery view. If you have a database in Notion that feels a little too plain or difficult to scan quickly, switching it to a gallery can make a huge difference. A gallery view is perfect when you want your content to feel more visual, more organized, and easier to browse at a glance. It works especially well for collections where images, covers, or key details matter. To get started, open the Notion database you want to turn into a gallery. This can be an existing database you already use for organizing information or one you've just created. Once you're inside that database, look near the top for the View dropdown. This is where Notion lets you switch between different ways of displaying the same information. Click the View dropdown and then choose Add a View. This opens the setup options for creating a new layout without changing your original data. From the list of view types, select Gallery View. As soon as you do that, Notion will create a visual card-based version of your database, which is much easier to browse than a table when you want to focus on appearance and quick recognition. Next, choose the database properties you want to show on each card. This step is important because it controls how much information appears in the gallery. You might want to show a title, status, tag, date, or any other property that helps you understand each entry quickly. Try to keep it clean and not overcrowded, so each card stays easy to read. After that, add page covers or images to make the cards visual. This is what really brings the gallery to life. If your database entries already have images or covers, Notion can use those to create a more engaging layout. Visuals make it easier to identify items quickly and give the gallery a polished, organized look. Once the visual part is set up, use filters or sorting to organize the gallery. Filters help you show only the items you want to focus on, while sorting helps arrange them in a way that makes sense, such as by date, priority, or category. This makes the gallery not only attractive, but also practical to use every day. A gallery view is especially useful for things like books, projects, recipes, portfolios, or saved resources. Anytime you want your database to feel more visual and easier to explore, this view is a great option. With just a few simple adjustments, you can transform a basic Notion database into something much more user-friendly and visually appealing.